welcome to the Northland. You can see we still got plenty of snow, so it's going to be a little bit before we get the Judge out of the garage. Just a quick little video today. I picked up a new tool that I don't know how long they've been around, honestly. I'm sure it's been a little while anyway, but I'd never heard of this thing, never even seen it. It's kind of cool. I'm not really going to show you how to use it. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to show you what it is. I'm going to show you what it does, or tell you what it does anyway. And then I will leave a link to that in the description below. So if any of you feel like picking it up, in case, honestly, I cannot see how anybody can go through life without using this a bunch of times. And especially if you like to work on cars at all, this is something you should add to your toolbox. So we'll get started with the video here, and then I'll just see you at the end. All right, check this thing out. We got a new tool. Didn't even know this existed. I'll tell you the story behind it in just a second. I don't know if any of you have seen these advertised at all. This is a, I don't know if I can get it out one-handed. There we go. So it's steel, so it's hard. Inside is a chain, and you can use like either end, right? You put your ratchet or impact on one end. You put your extension and socket or whatever on the other end, and this will allow you to get into tight spaces that you can't get a ratchet into. And rather than turning a wrench, half a day to try and get one bolt out, they come out with this thing. Now this one is supposedly rated for impact. And if you want an impact one, you got to really search. This was the only one I found. For an impact, the rest are the regular chrome-plated ones, which are not designed for an impact wrench. So if you do those, you could end up cracking or breaking it. But like I said, the inside here is a chain, and I'm sure that, I didn't even notice it on the back. So it could be taken apart. Maybe, I don't know if it can be adjusted or not. I didn't see anything about anywhere where it said it could be adjusted, but worst case scenario, I suppose maybe you could get a replacement chain. I don't know. But anyway, this is going to be a cool thing. So I originally heard about this, and I don't know if the story is true or not, but I originally heard about something similar to this on Facebook. Apparently, a gentleman, he and his wife were living on the road in a motorhome. They've been doing it for a couple of years. And I guess when they pulled into one of their campsites, the power steering went out. He found out that the pump had gone bad. So he was going to try and replace it on his own, and he had nothing that could reach the bolts. So he called a mobile mechanic. The mechanic came out and quoted him something like $3,000 or something to replace this pump. The pump was only like $100 and some or $200, and we're talking like a half a day's labor. And that was when apparently a gentleman from the next campsite over came over to ask what the problem was, and when he found out, this is what he showed him. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be the answer to everyone's prayers, in a situation like that, but with the wife and I thinking about getting a motorhome, something like that scares me, right? Because I like to do things my own if I can, and I don't want to I don't want to give up an arm and a leg and my firstborn if I don't have to. So if this is going to, and I'll tell you something else. Remember when we did the, what were they called? The camber. I can't remember what the name of the part is. It escapes my memory right now. But when we did on the rear wheels here, and we put them in so that we could readjust the toe and stuff on the front, I had to use a ratcheting wrench, and it still took me forever because you could only move it a little bit at a time. this would have been a lifesaver for something like that. So this is, I will leave the link to this in the description below. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and pick this up. And, you know, if you just look for other ones, you can find some that are a little bit cheaper, since they're not the impact ones. I think are a little bit more expensive, but yeah. So I haven't tried it yet. Like I said, I just took it out of the box, but this is going to be cool. All right, this is where I selflessly, is that a word? Give my book a plug. I'll leave the link for this on Amazon. It'll be on Amazon. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link for it in the description below. But this is historical fiction, and it was #1 in the UK and #2 in Canada right after it came, or shortly after it came out. And it's, like I said, it's historical fiction. I know you're thinking, well, that's kind of an oxymoron, isn't it? The story is fictional, okay? Dates, places, times, equipment, whatever, they're all historically factual. So go to Amazon, check it out, see if it's something you might like. And if you get it, please leave me a review. I'd really appreciate that. Plus, you'll see it has different adapters. So you can use it with any size ratchet, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. Yeah. So whoever thought of this is brilliant. All right, so I hope you liked that little video. Like I said, just a little short thing. We also got some news today that we will be attending at least one of Metallica's residency concerts in Vegas this year. I think it's at the Sphere. When I know more details, I will let you all know. So if any of you want to go to that as well, or if you happen to be there when we're there, maybe we can hook up and, you know, have a few drinks or whatever. All right. It's so new. Like, we just got tickets today, so I don't even really know what's going on yet as far as, like, if we're going to get a rental car or whatever. I imagine that we will. But, like I say, I don't have much more details than the date and the time of the concert. But, like I said, when I know more, we'll maybe pass that along, and maybe we can hook up with some of you if you happen to be there. All right. Smash that like and subscribe, even if you did not like the video. I'd really appreciate it. Ooh, slippery. Make sure you tap the little bell at the bottom after you hit subscribe. That way you'll know when I upload a new video. Or if you happen to be in Vegas, then you'll know when I post when we're going to be there. So share it with somebody. You got any people who like to wrench on cars or anything like that? They might be interested in this. Or, you know, if you have music people, pass along the information for Metallica at the Sphere. I'm not sure how long the residency is. I think it's like 3 months or something. And I don't know how many concerts they're doing, but check it out if you like Metallica. So, again, thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.